Konnichiwa. This is what's like a craze here in Japan, that you got your own house robot. Robot that greets you like a pet. Hello. Come here. Ikimasu. Ikimasu kudasai. You can touch it. Hi. Kawaii. Kawaii desu ka? I love you, cute. Kawaii. So like you just charge it when you come home, you got a robot that greets you like a pet if you're living in a condo.